Academia is going at present through a kind of crisis when it comes to publishing scientific work. The publishing process needs to be changed fundamentally because the process of peer review and editorial assessment has become more difficult than it used to be.
I think it's really important that we break the mould of traditional scholarly publishing, the journal article, the collection of reviews and studies of particular experimentation. That has got to change. And in an open science world, it can change because single observations and individual insights are just as important as group studies and the traditional journal article. So open science is an opportunity to think again about how we disseminate our research outputs, and ScienceMatters is doing just that.
In 2018, this is even morally irresponsible to charge fees to access knowledge created by the scientific community. So we created ScienceMatters that could change the way we publish, that changes the way that we access knowledge.
We as a scientists always have we found thousands of single observations and we don't know what to do with that. So actually the idea of having a journal that could give you the possibility to put them out would be a great chance to kind of also build the Lego of science. That would be a great innovation.
ScienceMatters allows us to publish single observations. So animal experiments that don't fit the story that later is published would usually not end up in a journal. You need a big story. Without a big story, no paper. In ScienceMatters, we can now publish observations without a big story. So the animals have not suffered without the information getting out to the scientific world.
I think in science we need to not only describe how we exactly arrive at a conclusion of what the data are, but we also need to have a direct view of how our colleagues see what we do and how they assess it. In other words, open science requires that peer review be transparent.
Blockchain technology has the capacity to make science more open and transparent. ScienceMatters will use this technology to make the reviewing process as well as the publishing process efficient and trustworthy. Reward is a blockchain-based review service that we aim to develop in order to improve numerous aspects of research.
Besides timestamping and proof of existence in the blockchain, we have another big advantage with such a system on the blockchain, which is we can redesign the incentive mechanism for academic publishing.
In an open access environment, the barrier of cost is removed because anyone, anywhere in the world with an internet connection, can access all the outputs that a university and research performing organisation is producing. That can only be good for society as we tackle the grand challenges that face us all: poverty, disease, hunger.